Okay, in this first part of the indices recap, we're really looking at rules 1, 2, and then I've snuck rule 4 on at the bottom. Rule 1 is that if you are multiplying indices, then you add the indices together. So if we look at x cubed times x to the power of 5, our base is x, so it doesn't change, and then we are adding 3 plus 5, and so our final answer will be x to the power of 8. If they put a coefficient, so a number in front of the letter, then you just multiply those numbers as if you would normally multiply the numbers. So in this second one, where we've got 4a squared times 3a to the power of 7, we're going to do 4 times 3, which is 12. And then our base is a, and then we can add the 2 plus the 7. So our final answer will be 12a to the power of 9. Rule 2 says that if we're dividing indices, so either written out like this, y to the power of 9 divided by y cubed, or with a fraction line in between it, that we subtract, not divide the indices. So we're going to say that this is y to the 9 take away 3, and so our final answer will be y to the power of 6. Now you can see in the next example we have multiple letters and we have numbers as well. So we're going to take things one step at a time. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say 21 over 7 is 3. 21 divided by 7, and we just do a traditional dividing. The next one we've got a to the 3, and then we're going to take away 5. And then we have b to the 4, take away 2. So this becomes 3a to the negative 2 and b to the positive 2. Now, if you remember, one of our later rules was if we have a negative index on the numerator, then we can make it a positive index by moving it down to the denominator. So the final answer is going to be 3b squared over a squared. And the last one I've snuck in at the bottom because I had a little bit of space is the rule that anything to the power of 0 is going to equal 1. So it could be 5,033,000 to the power of 0 and it would still equal 1. I will put up another video for the other rules of indices.